Hey. John, it's alright, you've got a door handle left round here. It's alright, he's got a door handle left here. What? He's got a door handle left round here.
Tell you what, this fucking snorkel's putting up a good defence.
Right, in, Jeff. In! In! I do. Right, just out, mate, Jeff, want to get the slap. Bit more. That'll do. Right, John, you want face ball? I need you to winch as like you've never winched before, and then drive it whenever you can. Just hit that front lock, right, John? Right. Winch and drive. Go on. Stop! Ah! Okay, John, carry on as you are.
What did you do there, Andy?
Go on, John, carry on.
That winch.
Okay, let out a bit more, John. Okay, winch forward, John.
He can't, he's out of winch.
Okay, someone re-rig that then, please.
Want me to do your shotty while you're there, John? Want me to drop your box or something?
Hold his box.
You try and drive it, John.
Nice and steady. Out just. Steady.
Fuck me.
Look it, mate.
Red Bull's never done that. Red Bull's got wings.
Out just. Right, John, stop there, mate. You're in.